Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So this is an update of Biafran Liberation Army activities in Biafran land today. So some of you have seen the video that is trending. It's not funny, to be honest, but I have to, put some smile on my face. Na mmiri na ama hokwa wezowe oya biega mamad. But on kai fu magora okwa. Oma na mmiri ama nokwa. I pata ma buru ife natural ka mmiri ma we pata ni lo. Ife furu ige woku ya. Anyway, for non-Igbo speaking people here, what I'm trying to say is that if you are not well informed, okay, if you're not informed, then you don't need to blame yourself. But you see, when you have been informed to do this and to take precaution and you choose not to, then whatever you see, you will take it. Today is Sit at Home Biafra Land, and today's date is 18th of November 2024. Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighters have given this warning for a very long time. It's not something that they started today or last week or last month. So anybody that allow himself to his or herself to be a victim of that, have to blame himself, because it's not something that is new. What am I trying to say? We have seen some clips of videos, surfacing on social media from a different angle. Different people have shared that video. Both those who are confused, stranded group, they have shared it, of course. But before we go through that, let me bring this information. That's why you are seeing this Chakaleke here. I have to flash her, so because we are going to start from her anyway. So Biafran people have decided to send note of warning to her. And as you can see here, this is from Biafran Army, I believe, because I have gone to this platform that made this warning to Lizzy. It happened that the person that owned the platform, I believe, is part and parcel of Biafran security forces. I don't know if it's Biafran Liberation Army or Biafran the resistance fighter, but all I can tell you is that the name, the account owner of this X that sanctioned this, that made this warning to Lizzy, is not too far. Is not far from Biafran security personnel. As you can see, he said, anyone who knows her should advise her to maintain her lane and not to fight against Biafran anymore. Tell her that speaking Igbo and wearing Biafran clothes does not make her a Biafran. Tell her that Biafran has mixed. So because of the activities of because she mapped out her time to talk down on Biafran football team, saying all manner of nonsense. People like her have been clapping for her and praising her for that. So we are going to move to that thing. So Sit at Home today recorded a lot of success. This is Abia in Abia State, as you can see, and this is another proof. This is a video of what is going on in Biafra land. As you can see here, everywhere is locked down. Okay, and let me on the volume so you will see, you hear. Okay, this one does not have any, I think it does not have any voice. So this is a market, I believe, in Abia State, of course. I believe this one is Abia State, just like the one that the picture that I just flashed. Of course, you can see everywhere is totally empty, totally empty. So that is update. That is an update from Biafra land based on the Sit at Home, how Sit at Home is going, or how the people of Biafra observe Sit at Home in Biafra land, Igbo speaking part of Biafra land, that they have been doing this for very, very long time, for years now. Sit at Home did not just start today. And somewhere in Anambra, and you hear some people, saying all manner of nonsense, and some of them decided to disobey, and most of them couldn't make it. So this is another video, another clip to prove to you that Biafrans are sitting at home without hesitating, despite all the shenanigans, all the propaganda, all the accusation and cooked up stories to make it look like people are doing, observing sit at home with everything in them and all that. This is willingly. Although some people decided to do strong head, but guess what? If individual, because I will tell you the propaganda that they are sharing now, you cannot see some people, that decide to disobey, sit at home, that are being pied just because of that. It's only when you see them working together with Nigerian security forces, that on the process of attacking the security forces from Biafran Liberation Army, one that people that are not security personnel will be, maybe they will they will be affected, of course, and you see some people injured and some are, losing their life for that, just to prove a point. How can you sacrifice your life to give people edge to do more propaganda, and you are using your life to do that? Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. So these are sit at home in different lands for today. How they reserve everything. You can see everywhere is under lock and key. So this is another activities of Biafra Liberation Army in some areas in Biafra land that decided to undermine the sit at home, and it happened that some of them bear some weapon, message gun. I don't know I don't want to say what I'm not sure of, but I know that there are some security personnel. Okay, this vehicle that's on flame now, this vehicle that is in flame at the moment, is vehicle that belong to Nigerian security personnel and some vigilante. Okay, some local vigilante group in this this town was also attacked because of sit at home. And it's not as if they're not aware that today is Monday, but just to undermine the instruction. And that is what you get when you listen to people that are ready to do anything to do propaganda. Because if you are listening to them, you will end up giving your life, because you think that what they say stands, it is the only thing that have to stand. Now, if you look, for some of them that have lost their life, those of them that are telling you that they are also chilling in their homes without their own brothers and sisters disobeying, sit at home. All of them sit at home, but you out of ignorance, you think that they're actually doing what they're saying. They're not. Listen.
Life you know, go roundabout. Go roundabout. Don't come there. Don't come there. I say no more, no Biafra, no freedom. Sit at home, for that. Don't come there, I'm a virgin. Life will go sit at home. Fasiri no Biafra, no freedom. Oh yeah, guru. Fama virgin do attack now. Yeah, vigilante do now. Life in Ugo. Life in Ugo. Life in Ugo. Non-government attack Ugo vigilance right now. In Ugo. I say no Biafra, no freedom. Oh yeah, no. Sit at home. Sit at home. Sit at home. Sit at home. Live in Ugo. Ugo Mosquetas Vigilance Group. Ugo Mosquetas Vigilance Group. Ugo Mosquetas Vigilance Group was attacked. Hey!
Okay, so from what I can hear from the video, they did not even mention the Biafra Liberation Army. So what they said is unknown gunmen. So maybe this video is subject to more verification to understand who attacked this vigilante group. But the question is, why must vigilante be patrolling on the day they actually know that they sit at home in Biafran land? Are we confused of what is going on? No, because these are what the people claiming that they want to stop sit at home by fire by force. They are the one pushing these people to go out to see what may happen to them. Probably they are the one that organize people that actually attack them. Because until PM comment on this video, then we can announce, okay, this is what happened. But as of now, as of the time I'm making this video, PM have not actually tweet anything about it. So anybody telling you this or anything other than what I just said now, or what PM will say, the person is lying, because he have not denounced whatever that Biafra Liberation Army have done. Do you understand it? So let it be on record. Even his enemies are worried for him. They are worried on his behalf, saying that how can he claim this thing that he claiming responsibilities of? Even they are surprised that sometimes when they send their own guys to go out and commit something, that PM actually claim those things. They are surprised because I've watched videos of some of them saying that even when he did not commit anything, that he always claim it, that he want to be relevant through that. I don't know, because our PM that I know cannot claim what he did not do. He can't. He's not the kind of person that that shiver or trying to hide under somebody to advance his cause. No, he always stand boldly as a man and claim what he's responsible of, not hiding under woman wrapper and trying to lead anybody. He's not the type.
Live in Ubo, non-government attack Ubo vigilance right now. In Ubo, I say no Biafra, no freedom. Sit at home, sit at home, sit at home, sit at home. Live in Ubo, Ubo Mosquitoes Vigilance Group. Ubo Mosquitoes Vigilance Group.
So many video like that. So many video like that. We are going to bring the one we can, but other ones that we are going to skip, especially those videos that has the evidence of people being sent to Chukwokike. Most of them are here, but I'm not gonna play them. Bring that one here. Just bear in mind that this is what is going on in our land.
December 2nd, December 2nd. Oh my head, Olewa. Anyami ha. Onye ọbụla. Ọbụla sị na iwe ebube agụ si na iwu ihe dịrịdịrị gị. Anyị na-abịa. 2 days chere na anyị. Ndị na this month bụ oge. Anyị abịa bịa n'ịkpara gị n'aka. Gbaa gị ọkụ. Ịghọtago? Popu dị mma. Ọgwụ na arụọla. Popu na Tinubu na ndị otu ya ọgwụ na arụọla. Soro udo. Ọga nọ ha. Ịghọtago? Nọ ga-ahụ. Baba anyị. Nọ ga-ahụ anyị mgbe ọzọ. Mgbe anyị ga-ekwu elu nọ ga-ahụ anyị. Ịghọtago? Enweghị osi aga. Bye bye.